Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add Toncoin to your Metamask wallet, and you can follow the similar steps in order to add Toncoin to your Trust wallet as well. So as you can see, once we go to CoinMarketCap over here, there are different contracts of Toncoin. So one is of Ethereum and one is of BNB and one is of Ton itself. So basically the one on the Ethereum and the BNB are the wrapped one. So all you can do is basically you can go over here, copy this contract address over here, go to your Metamask. On the top it should be Ethereum mainnet over here. So once you click on this, all you have to do is click on import over here, and in the search paste the address over here. And as you can see, I have already imported my Toncoin, so it's not allowing me to go ahead and import it once again. But once you do it, it will show over here. Similarly, we can go to BNB over here, and I will copy this address. We'll go to Metamask. We'll search for BNB. So BNB is already over here. We'll click on import tokens and we'll click on search, and we'll go ahead and click over here, click on next and go ahead and import this. So as you can see, now the Toncoin has been imported on the Ethereum as well as BNB network. So it is this simple to import the Toncoin on Metamask. Similarly, you can do it on Trust wallet or any other wallet. So this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.